Welcome to the Exact Max training for the Financial Integration course on posting sales orders. In this lesson, you will learn what posting sales orders is for, how to identify the sales orders that are ready for posting, and how to post those orders. Let's get started learning about posting sales orders. After a sales order is shipped, we need to capture the information on that order for several purposes. The posting process captures the shipped quantity and costs, as well as miscellaneous charges in preparation for printing the invoice. The posting process also assigns the invoice number. It will also send the financial information to your integrated financial package, whether Great Plains, QuickBooks, or Globe. Before we can post, we first need to identify the orders that will be posted and ensure that the information contained in the order is correct. So before posting sales orders, we recommend running the Invoice Edit List report. This report will show all the sales orders that have been shipped and the related information for those orders. You can review the detail to ensure that all the information is correct prior to the posting step. Once the orders are posted, the invoice is created and sent to the integrated financial package, so it is important to review the details for accuracy. We'll follow these steps to identify the orders that are ready for posting. From the System Manager, we'll open the Sales Order Processing module. Then we'll select the Reports menu and the Invoice Edit list. We will choose the report options and run the report. We can then review the details of the sales orders that are ready to post. From the System Manager, choose the Customer tab. Then select the Sales Order Processing module. The Sales Order Processing window will open. Now choose the Report menu and choose Invoice Edit List from the menu. The Invoice Edit Report window will open. It will show the two types of orders that can be reviewed: sales orders and credit memos. Check or uncheck the order types as necessary. We recommend you run it for both order types so both are invoiced. You can then decide which orders you'd like the system to look for. Either anything that's flagged as ready to invoice, a range of orders, or just an individual order. For this example, we'll choose a range by clicking on the Range radio button. The order number range box is now available in the upper right corner. You can manually enter a range or double-click in the Start with Order Number box to select the starting order number from the browser. The Sales Order browser window opens, showing all the sales orders. Find the first order number you'd like to use and double-click to select it. We'll do the same thing to select the ending order number. Double-click here to open the browser window. The browser window opens with the current order selection. Click the pencil or erase icon to clear the current selection. Now let's see the highest order number. To do this, we can sort the order number column in reverse order by just clicking on the column header. Now the highest order number will be at the top. Double-click to select it. We can also ask to print line item notes on the report by checking this box. If you are using multi-currency, the default setting is clear or unmarked. It calculates domestic currency amounts based on the exchange rate that is tied to the orders. If this box is marked, it recalculates the monetary values of all invoices based on the current exchange rate. You can set this using Sales Order Processing code data. Then determine if you want to print the report to the window and view it, or to the printer. and click the Report button to run it. The Invoice Edit Report window will open, and we can now see the report. It shows the order information. We can review the order header details to ensure that the appropriate codes have been assigned, like the term code, the ship via, and the tax codes. The line item detail is next. Here we can see the shipped quantity, the price information, as well as the sales and cost of goods sold accounts and tax codes that are used for the line item. If we make the window larger, we can also see the order total information. If any information is incorrect, we can go back to the sales order and make changes. If everything is correct, we can move on to posting the sales order. Now we are ready to post sales orders. We will follow these steps to identify the orders that are ready for posting. From the System Manager, we'll open the Financial Integration module. We'll select the Activity menu, Post, and Sales Orders. Then we will select the posting options. And once posted, we will review the posting report. From the System Manager, select the Finance tab and choose the Financial Integration module. After the Financial Integration window opens, select the Activity menu. From here, we'll select the Post menu item, and we'll select Sales Orders. The Sales Order Posting window will open. The Integration Status box will show if you are currently integrated with a financial package. If you integrate with Great Plains, QuickBooks, or Globe, you should show an integration here before posting continues. If no integration is shown, the sales orders will be invoiced but will not report to the financial package. This option allows users to consolidate multiple sales orders into a single invoice. The option is only available for exact customers that have purchased the Consolidated Invoice module. The Consolidated Invoice module addresses the need to provide one invoice for multiple shipments on more than one sales order in Max. This topic will be discussed in a separate training module. For this example, uncheck the Consolidated Invoice checkbox. You can then select to post only sales orders or only credit memos, or both. You can post all the orders, which is the default, or click the Range button to post to a range of orders. You can enter the starting and ending range here, or you can pick them from a list. When picking from a list, click the Add button, and the Sales Order Browser window will open, showing the sales orders that are ready for posting. Double-click the record to select it. You can select multiple records by highlighting the rows or clicking the Add button again and selecting the next order you'd like to use. We will then assign the invoice date. The posting report can be run for a hard copy of what was posted. Now we just have to click the Post button. We will receive a reminder that making a backup of the data would be a good idea at this point. Click Yes to continue the posting process. If any errors occur, a message will be displayed along with the last message box showing information on the posting status. For errors, we can click the View Report button. The posting log report will open. In this case, the sales order was not able to be posted due to an error on the sales order. Correcting the error is required before the posting can be completed. After correcting the error, let's repost the order. Here's our reminder to back up the data. And we will click Yes again. As the posting works, you will see the Assigning section increment the starting and ending invoice numbers as well as the starting and ending credit numbers. When it completes, the posting report will open and can be printed. The Control Total field can then be used to match to the batch showing in your financial system. Click the Close icon to close the report. You have now posted the sales orders. They have been given an invoice number, and the financial information has been sent to your accounting package if you are integrated with one. And that's it. In this lesson, you have learned what the sales order posting does, how to identify and review the orders that are ready for posting, and how to post the orders. Thank you for participating in Exact Training.